in Imo, Anambra, and clear. Abi, go to the east, Abi, but you cannot go to Borno. You can go to east, but you cannot go to Borno. Then in Borno, the people that they wipe, and they're not soldier.
Army should go to every part of every forest, then the southeast and the northwest to what? To clear and to wipe every illegal armed forces there in the southeast and the northwest. What's your take on this?
In the bush.
Yes, in the bush. He said they should go to every corner of every bush and wipe.
I want to ask a question. That army, those army that was wiped in Borno State, are they wiped in the bush or in the town?
No, I think this is a different scenario.
You know, I am asking if they can be wiped not in the bush. How do you then think that they will go to the bush and succeed?
As if the defense staff, he has ordered the army to go to the bush.
See, my brother, let us get this thing straight. Let's see, just Musa stop giving an order. Let him lead them. Yes, he has to go. No. It has gone beyond that. You understand? In Ukraine, after all, their president is at the war front. So let's see, there's Musa come now, so that we know that he's serious and he really want to do the job. Let him lead them to all those Boronu. Army are dying steady. Army are dying every day. What have you done, Sidious Musa? Is it not the high time you send your boys as usual, go to house? But it's only in the east that you can visit house to house. Only in Imo State, only in Aba, you can visit house to house. If this kind of thing happen, no youth in Igbo land that will remain at home. They will visit them overnight to pick them. But see, it has happened again. This is not the first time. It has happened again in Borno State. Till today, Musa have not visited any home to pick any male child. You see why we are talking about marginalization. You see why we are talking about humiliation. You see why we are talking about intimidation. You see why we are talking about Biafra freeing themselves. Biafra standing on their own. Biafra going, exiting from this country called Nigeria. You get it now? And I ask, why is it that everything about Biafra, Nigeria always take it as if they put a nail on at the center of their head? I am asking. Jigawa is under siege. Zamfara, 3 local government is under siege today. As I'm talking to you, the Fulanese, the Tuji and his men are telling them to pay 100 million. The 3 villages, 3 local governments now, villagers are now have run away from the village. And Musa is here. Buba is here, the defense. All of them are here. IG, Inspector of Police, is here. What are they actually doing? Are you telling me they are not hearing? Are you telling me they are not aware? What is actually going on? Let me tell you something I heard. They only have been saying it, but it's now that I come to believe. That when you see all this Boko Haram, if you say should, I will say, I could remember during Buhari time, it was too obvious. They say order have not come from above. And these same people are causing havoc to the nation. You said order have not come from above. Well, when will order come from above? That means from above, give them the order to do what they are doing. So the people are in above are the ones sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. Boko Haram and the rest. That's what it means. Because if orders should come from above before you react as a policeman that's supposed to protect life and property anywhere in Nigeria, order need to come from above for you to act as a military man who has signed your life to protect, to defend the country, and order need to come from above. Then who are the people in above? Who are these people in above? So that means the people in above are the one behind what is happening. So you that have signed yourself to serve the country, that means you be mumu be that. Yes, now you be mugu be that now. Because if order need to come from above for you to do the right thing that you signed to do for good, for the country to be better, and you have to wait until when order come from above, and the other one does not wait for order from above because they will send you to early grave. But when it comes to your turn, you have to wait from order from above. So the people that is in above need to be questioned over what is going on in the north, in Nigeria as well. If you remember vividly, one time I said, one certain time on this video, on this TV, I said that Nigerian politicians, if terrorism should stop in this country, that Nigerian politicians should do what? Should be held accountable. That once they remove their hand from this, terrorism will stop. Terrorism will stop. That means they should be held accountable. See all these things. Musa now is busy pointing Simon Ekpa. Whereas Boko Haram, Tujib and his group, and many of them, I can't remember their name. There are many, terrorizing all the whole middle belt and the northern part of Nigeria. As I'm talking to you, the Hausas and Fulanis are very seriously, they have serious conflict. As I'm talking to you, Hausa and Fulani in the north, as I'm talking to you today. Serious one, oh. But Musa is not seeing it. Neither is he hearing it. But the Simon Ekpan is the problem. In fact, what a drama. What a drama in Nigeria. What a drama. May God have mercy. Oh.
But with this, with the Finnish government releasing these two Simon Ekpa accomplices, and at the same time getting the evidence, video evidence, do you not think that the Finnish government has already getting to know that Simon Ekpa is, doing the right thing, or do you think that Finland government know that he's doing the right thing?
Now listen, this is an evidence, and it is a kind of showing to Musa that Finland is not Africa, and neither are they Nigeria or Kenya. That Finland are taking the case so seriously and treating it the way it should. And with this that is happening now, releasing 4, now they have released another 2. That means that they arrested more than the 4 that the Nigeria have first of all said. And at the same time, their interrogation and investigation is indicating that Simon Ekpan was completely innocent of what Nigeria have allegedly accused him of. Because all these people that they have released, they have not charged them for anything, neither accused them of or anything. They were just being released freely like that. And that is how it's supposed to be. Not here they will begin to ask you, pay money for, they will tell you bailing is free, but yet you will still bail yourself with the money. You can't come out without paying money. Over there, when they interrogate you and see that nothing, definitely you go. So Simon Ekpan and his men are innocent. And this thing pushed me to what I want to say now. They are now complying with what Simon Ekpan have already said, and what he's about to say, and what he's about to do again. You understand? Once he come out, because by the time he finish, when he's found not guilty, he will be free. And he will have his asset back on social media, on the public, anywhere. Then only God knows what happens next. Yes, only God can tell that. Because I know for sure I know for sure that Sidious Musa cannot go to ICC. All what he has said in Al Jazeera is just a normal talk. It's just a normal talk.
But with this now, with what's happening now, do you think Nigeria is safe? Because if the bandits can go to the military base and kill, you know, let's use that word, wipe away soldiers, burn down their vehicles. Do you think that the normal civilians are safe, even with what just like what you said, what's happening in Ibadan, another part of southwest, you know, south, even we go to Delta Edo, people can no longer go to their farm. Do you think that the country is in a safe hand? But we've said Musa said, you know, the country security wise will be better than last year. What's your take as? But it's just early in the year and we saw what's happening.
Hello, he says security wise will be better. On what condition? On what purpose? Which way? Okay, security wise, they have shifted to Oyo State. Right in the front, the very eyes of Oyo State governor, people were shut down. Where is the security? Who are they securing? Where is their strength? And where is their ability? Why not stop them before they come to this level? Even to the point they have conquered not coming down to Yoruba land here. You understand? Because Jigawa, Borno State, as I said, and as already reported, that their camp has been wiped, visited, and soldiers have been wiped out, and their vehicle, everything burned down and mesmerized every corner. You understand? In Plateau, and in fact, let me tell you, Nigeria in diaspora doesn't have security, and it is the high time, either in Sokoto, no, in Kaduna State, or in one of the northern part of Nigeria, one time, who decided to buy gun and give the citizens, you understand, to protect and to defend themselves. It is the high time that every Nigeria should lay hand on something for self-defense and self-security. Because the security, if Nigerian security, like Àrmy, if can be ransacked this way, mandate, that is, you know, finish them, wipe them this. Definitely you, the common man, it's nothing. So you need to find a way to safeguard yourself.
So do you think they are killing the military just to, you know, reduce the strength? Because they know that when the military goes down, you know, the security of the country, you know, goes down as well. So do you think that's their point?
Listen, the military speaks the strength of a nation. Military determines the strength, the capability, and the ability of every nation. And whereby your military are murdered in a mass, and the military cannot defend themselves, the country is porous. Let me use the word, is what? Porous. So there is no security wise, and you cannot be secure. So it means that the country is exposed to any danger, any attack at any time. And you never can tell the mindset of this terrorist group and Boko Haram. You never can tell their mindset, what is their agenda or what they are planning to come up with. Are you getting? So of which only God and them know. When they shall come rise, you will not have that military strength to contend with them. So definitely their dream will be easily achieved. And that's just it. Thank you.
Okay. But we've seen Serious Musa in a viral video say that the Nigerian
in Imo, Anambra, and clear, Abi, go to the east, Abi, but you cannot go to Borno. You can go to east, but you cannot go to Borno. Then in Borno, the people that they wipe, and they're not soldier, and where we are there being wiped, is it in the bush? So it is time that Serious Musa should be the one in the front like this. Let others follow him. Let him be in the front while others will follow him. Let them go and wipe. Let them go and wipe. As he said now, let them go and wipe.
No, he said these terrorists are causing menace, are causing, you know, causing people to lose their life, lose their property, lose their job.
We are saying the same thing. You know, as a military chief of defense and chief of armed staff, let them come together with the intelligence their strength and their capacity that is in their custody, which the government, according to the law, has empowered them. Let them wake up and stand up and do the needful. Oh yeah, oh, I will match men this side. You too match men the other side. You understand? Let's go to the bush and let's go and kill. Let them do it. That is how it's supposed to be. If truly they want to work.
If truly they want to work.
If truly they want to work, if actually they want to, do that job. In the bush, you did not conquer them in the town where people is, where you have your distance. In your camp, you are ransacked, wiped. Then is it in the bush? Many things are in the bush, oh. You don't understand? Many things are in the bush. And that bush they are talking about, they don't know there. They don't know road. They don't know anything about that bush. The area that you dominate, your own territory, someone wipe you. Is it in his own territory that you don't know? You don't know how to happen. In fact, like I said, let me just cut the story. Let Musa and Buba could lead some troop to east. Musa lead some troop to the north, to that bush in the north and that bush in the southeast. That will be the best way, so that you will not hear another story. This is an evidence, and it is a kind of showing to Musa that Finland is not Africa, and neither are they Nigeria or Kenya. That Finland are taking the case so seriously and treating it the way it should. And with this that is happening now, the reason for now they have released another two. That means that they arrested more than the four that the Nigeria have first of all said. And at the same time, their interrogation and investigation is indicating that Simon Ekpan was completely innocent of what Nigeria have allegedly accused him of. Because all these people that they have released, they have not charged them for anything, neither accused them of or anything. They were just being released freely like that. And that is how it's supposed to be. Not here they will begin to ask you, pay money for, they will tell you bailing is free, but yet you will still bail yourself with the money. You can't come out without paying money. Over there, when they interrogate you and see that nothing, definitely you go. So Simon Ekpan and his men are innocent. And this thing pushed me to what I want to say now. They are now complying with what Simon Ekpan have already said and what he's about to say and what he's about to do again. As regard to what Sidious Musa said that he's going to submit a document or whatsoever regard to Simon Ekpan restriction, and which they called arrest. And thank God that the team now, the legal team now has submitted. They did not just submit documents, they submit videos. And the videos with the evidence of document as a backup. And you know, so, and I finished submitting the video and the document. I believe that Musa himself will be coming as well with his own document, as said, probably with a video too, if he has anyone. And I want to use this opportunity to speak once again concerning all these things that Nigeria is busy chasing the shadow. How can you submitting a document against someone that is not your problem, leaving the major problem behind? And what are these problems? As I'm talking to you, in Borno State, Army barracks was ransacked by terrorists. And according to the report, they were wiped. You know the meaning of wiped? That means a lot of armies were killed. A lot of armies, Nigerian army, lost their lives. Look at the report from Oyo, from the governor, that not quite far from him where he was. He saw the terrorists, the bandits, killing people as well. Even in Oyo State, in Jigawa State, see massive killing. See in Benue. And they see another side again. Zamfara, as I talk to you now, about 3 local governments, the villagers there have free away from their villages. Because of what? The terrorists. These people. And they see their Musa was busy pointing at Simon Ekpa, the man that is in Finland. And all these things are happening under your nose, particularly your side. This thing is happening in your side. What have you done? No, excuse me. And if you cannot handle this one that is going on in Nigeria here, not just in Nigeria, in your own side, the side where which you come from, you didn't handle it, and you are hearing it, you are well. You can't tell me you don't know. Because I am here, I heard it. Is it you that come from there that will not know? You understand? And I'm giving you the states. I said the governor of your state made mention of this. You can do your fine. And you are busy. You did not even attend to all these things. And to make sure that all this terrorism and bandits, you stop them. First, look at it here. You didn't do, you have not done anything to stop them. Then you are busy pointing a hand on somebody that is far away from Nigeria, accusing him over what is he the one? I think you said that you are giving Finland order to arrest him, and they arrest him. Why are they still killing in Plateau? Why are they still killing in Zamfara? Why are they still killing in Jigawa now? Why are they still killing in Bonu? Is this a Simon Ekpa that sent the terrorist guys to enter Àrmy barrack in Bonu State to wipe the military over there? In the north, in your own side. Oh. Now you say southeast. Are you from southeast? I'm talking about the northern part of Nigeria and the middle belt that is very close. They are partner and friend and family together in the north. The middle belt, I talk about Benue, talk about Plateau. You understand? So you've not done anything, but you are busy talking about east and are pointing finger on somebody that have been in Finland for many years. And let me tell you this. The 2 guys that was released by Finland government. Let me tell you, if truly Nigeria or CDS Musa actually know or understand or study the law as it's supposed to, with what is happening now, Finland have released 4 before. Now they have released 2. That means they are doing their thorough investigation as said. And they are finding now that these people are innocent because they don't want to start from Simon Ekpa directly. Because if they should start from Simon Ekpa directly, probably they may not get the truth. That's why you see them start from the roots. All those ones, they know they can gather information. And with the information they are gathering now, is showing that Simon Ekpa was innocent of what Nigeria is accusing him of. And that's why those guys that was arrested with him, they were freeing them. And like I've said it before on this TV, that CDS Musa is ignorant and it doesn't have concrete information of what is going on in Finland. Initially, Nigerian media said there were 4. And the people that have been released now, more than 4. So who is now speaking the truth? You get it? Who is actually speaking the truth? That means the Biafran evangelist is speaking the truth. He did not know what is going on in Finland. He only come out on air in order to defend the face of what he carried. He just speak as if he was sure of what he was saying. And that was why I concretely doubt when he said he submitted document that is a lie. Nigeria did not have any document as an evidence. Or him having the impetus of appearing before the ICJ, International Criminal Court of Justice. You understand? It doesn't have the, because it's not a place you can just go, because that place is not like Nigerian judicial court where you turn truth upside down. It is a place whereby they will show you, they will narrate, they will teach you, they will tell you as well the implications of all those things they are teaching you, because they will let you know, so that by the time they are through with you, in case you are to face any justice or judgment, you should be able to know the angle they are coming from, and you too will know that, this is the angle I have messed up. You get it? So, and he did not have it.